What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Today we have got this brand new Galaxy Buds 3 here. Let's unbox this earbuds and see what this offers. And I'll also tell you why I bought this Galaxy Buds 3 instead of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Now let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's break open the seal here. Let's do it from the other side. We have another seal. Let's take this off. Here we go. This is the white color that I've got. Let me just keep this aside for a minute. We have got one more box here. Let's see, what do we have? We should be having some paperwork and the cable here. Yes, we have got a white cable here, Type-C to Type-C cable. And we have got some paperwork over here. Let's see what it says. We've got some instructions on this paperwork. Let's keep this aside. Now let's check out the Buds 3 here. Now this is a white box and it actually looks pretty good. It has got some weight to it, and the white is not the pure white, I would say. Yeah, it's kind of white, and we have got this glass top on this, the glass lid for this case. Let's keep this aside. Let's go ahead and open. Okay, this has got some silver finish to it. You can see this is the silver color that we have got on this hinge for the lid. Let's open this up now. This definitely has a premium feel to this. It's pretty strong. The hinge seems to be pretty strong, and it snaps onto this the moment you close it. You see? That is pretty cool, isn't it? This actually looks premium, and it feels premium when you hold this in the hand. It doesn't look cheap at all. It has got this Samsung logo right on top here. You can see we've got this logo here, and then we have got the charging indicator here, and then we have the USB Type-C socket here. On the sides, we do not have anything. The moment you close the lid, you can see it indicates that there is battery. It's in green right now, so it should be having full battery here. Now it's time to take the buds in hand. Let me just remove this here, remove this here. You see, it looks pretty cool. And this also has a very nice feel to this. And I was expecting this to be a little more lengthier, but it is actually short, you see. And this blade design looks pretty cool. And we have got these black dots here. These are the mics that we have. And we also have a mic, the primary and secondary mic here. One is here. And we also have one more mic here on the top. And at the tip, you can see we have got this blue color indicator for the left ear, and we have got the orange color indicator for the right ear. Now let's pair this up. To pair it up, I have got a brand new phone here, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I will be posting an unboxing video for the Z Fold 6, and there will be many more contents coming up on the Z Fold 6 as well as the Buds, so stay tuned for that. Now let's go ahead and unlock the phone and go to the wearable application. This is the first time I'm using the wearable app on the phone, so let's start. I will tap on allow. It is showing me Galaxy Buds 3 right here. I will tap on this. Here is the pop-up. It is asking me to pair the device. I'll pair it. It will download the software for this, and then just agree to all. Tap on continue. Allow, allow, allow. Again, allow. One more allow, and you're all set. Here we go. We have got 98% of the battery on the buds. And we have got all the features that are available, which is shown here. We have got all the settings here. The first one is active noise cancellation. We do have active noise cancellation for these buds. To enable this, I will have to wear the earbuds. Let me just wear it here. I'm going to talk about the fit of these earbuds in a bit. Let me just first show you guys all the options that we have here. I will enable this. Now the active noise cancellation is enabled. We don't have any further options as such. We just have one switch to enable the active noise cancelling. Then we have got sound quality and effects. We got 360 audio feature. Let me just tap on this. It says hear vivid immersive sound coming from all directions, so you feel like you're right in the action when you watch videos or listen to music. To get the best experience, keep your earbuds near your phone. So this is a brilliant feature which Samsung offers. I will enable this as well. And when you enable it, we have got this head tracking feature. Adjust the sound direction when you turn your head, so it always sounds like it's coming from the video you're watching. So if you have enabled this feature, whenever you turn around, you will hear the sound coming from a direction where your video source is. So when you turn towards the left or right, the audio source direction will remain intact so that it always feels like it's coming from the video you're watching. Let's go back. We've got equalizer. I will tap on this. You see we have got a few options here, and you can also create your own equalizer. Let me just go back. Then we've got boost dialogue, make it easier to hear voices in videos that have other background sound. And then we've got loudness normalization, prevents sound from suddenly becoming too loud or too quiet while playing media. So you can enable this. This is a pretty cool feature that we have. Let's say you're watching a video on YouTube and you finish it and it suddenly jumps to the next video which has got higher sound volume. Then this loudness normalization feature will normalize that sound so that you don't feel uncomfortable with that loud sound coming from another video. Now this is a great feature that we have, loudness normalization. And then here is a brilliant feature, adjust sound to fit. This will adjust the sound automatically to deliver the best audio based on your ear shape and how you're wearing your earbuds. Works best when both earbuds are in your ears with a consistent fit. Now apart from this, Samsung has also integrated the AI into the earbuds. They've got an algorithm which will adapt the equalizer and adaptive noise cancellation based on individuals' ear shape and wearing habits. Samsung says the AI boosted algorithm analyzes sound detected through the inner and outer mics in real time. Then the Galaxy AI optimizes your listening experience by adjusting the sound to conform to your fit with pinpoint precision. So that's a very advanced feature, the AI integration that we have got for the buds here. This is the first time we are getting this kind of a feature. Now we also have advanced quality options here. You can see we have got ultra high quality sound, and we also have super wideband speech. Most useful when you are somewhere noisy and using earbuds. So you can keep this feature enabled or enable it whenever you want. If at all you are in a noisy environment, you can enable this so that the other person can hear your speech better. So that is another feature that we have got here. Let me just go back. I'll just go back again. Then we have got a few more settings here. We've got earbud settings. Let me tap on this. We have voice controls. Let me tap on this now. We've got Bixby voice wake up. When we enable this, we can use a few commands through Bixby. We can enable these features. You see, we have got music, volume, and phone commands. If you're listening to music, you can ask Bixby to play music, stop music, next song, previous song. I will demonstrate all this in the next video probably. In this video, we are only going to look at all these features. I will come back to you guys with a detailed video demonstrating all these features on the buds. Next, we can use commands like volume up, volume down, answer call, reject call. We don't have to touch the buds or we don't have to touch the phone. We can just tell the Bixby to execute these commands while you're wearing the earbuds. Now let me go back. We have in-ear detection. Let me tap on this. Switch calls to phone when both earbuds removed. Pause media when one earbud removed. Let's say you're talking to somebody and if you want to pause the audio, then you can just remove one earbud from your ear. That will instantly pause the audio and then you can put it back after talking to the person so that you can resume the audio playback. Then we've got seamless earbud connection. Let me tap on this. Here it says switch quickly to nearby devices without disconnecting your earbuds or turning on pairing mode. So what happens here is, let's say you are using multiple Samsung Galaxy devices logged into the same account, same Samsung account, then the earbuds will quickly switch between these devices without we having to manually connect the earbuds to these devices. Let's say you are using the phone and listening to music, and let's say you are done with that and you close the earbuds. Then let's say you open the Galaxy tab or Galaxy Book and then you also open the buds, then it will automatically get paired to that device. So there is an easy seamless switching between these devices, which is a fantastic feature. Now let's just go back. We've got next stretch reminders. This is a very thoughtfully executed feature. It says if you hunch over your phone or desk, your head tends to lean forwards, which can cause back and neck health issues over time. Your earbuds can detect your head position and notify you when you are bent your head downwards for 10 minutes. So that is very well executed. Just in case if you have that habit of leaning forwards while listening to music or watching something, and if you're doing it for more than 10 minutes, then the earbuds will remind you that you are leaning forward, so you have to get back to your right position. So that is a very well done feature on the Galaxy Buds 3. Let me just go back. Then we've got labs feature here. Let me tap on this. We have got gaming mode here. Then we have reset option and accessibility option. Let me tap on this. You see, we have got left and right sound balance here. Just in case if you have hearing issues with one ear, then you can adjust the sound balance here on this accessibility setting. Then we have got earbud software update, diagnostic option about earbuds. Let me just go back. I missed one more settings here. We've got earbud controls. Let me tap on this. You see, we've got media controls. We can pinch to play, pause the video, double pinch for next track, triple pinch for previous track, and swipe up and down to control the volume. Now these are the pinch gestures that we have got for the earbuds, and we can easily control the music or whatever we are playing through the earbuds by pinch, double pinch, or triple pinch, or swipe up and down gestures, which is just fantastic. Let's go back. We also have pinch and hold controls here. We have got left earbud pinch and hold control and right earbud pinch and hold control. Let me tap on one of them. You see, when we pinch and hold, we can switch noise controls, activate noise cancelling or noise controls off. We can do that. Then we have got Bixby. We can activate Bixby by pinching and holding one of the earbuds. We can activate interpreter. Interpreter is a great feature which we already have on Galaxy phones, and now with buds, we will be able to hear the translated voice right into our earbuds, which is fantastic. I'll discuss with you in the next video. Then we've got mindfulness and Spotify. Let's go back. We've got same controls for the right ear as well. Then we've got answer call or end call. We can just pinch to answer the call, and we can pinch and hold to decline the call. Now, these are some amazing pinch gestures we have got on the Galaxy Buds 3. Then we have got Find My Earbuds feature and tips and user guide. Now, these are some of the settings, some of the features, some of the options that we are getting on the Galaxy Buds 3 as well as 3 Pro. The 3 Pro will have some advanced features maybe. I don't have it with me. Maybe I'll buy it and do a review of that as well, so stay tuned. Let's also compare the size of the case here with the Galaxy Buds 2. You can see this is the Buds 2 or Buds 2 Pro case, and this is how big is the Galaxy Buds 3 case. Let me show you the sides. The Buds 3 Pro case is a little wider, and the Buds 2 series is a little thicker. Now, the reason I got the Buds 3 instead of the Buds 3 Pro is the design here. The open ear design that we have on the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is something which I really wanted. All this while the only buds that we had from Samsung was the Buds Live. That was the bean-shaped earbuds. The styling was unique, and it was very comfortable to wear it because there was no ear tips on that. There was no rubber tip. But after that, we got the Buds 2 and Buds 2 Pro with these rubber tips. You see, this is the rubber tip we have, and this is in-ear style earbuds, and this will fit into your ear canal and it will block the entire ear. Good for audio experience. It blocks all the noise from the outside, and you will get better active noise cancellation on these kind of earbuds. However, using this for longer period of time bothered me. I was not really comfortable using this for longer time. I can't really use this for more than 5 or 10 minutes, keeping it inside my ears, so I was really uncomfortable with this, and I have been waiting for this kind of an earbuds from Samsung, and thanks to Samsung for offering a Galaxy Buds without these rubber tips. Now, as you can see, these fit very well in my ears. I feel as if I'm not wearing anything at all. It's very light, and it is not discomforting at all. I can use this for a longer period of time. I can hear the sound from outside. I can wear this continuously for hours together without any issues. Now, these are some of the features and settings that I wanted to discuss with you guys. I will dive deep into this in the next video, and I will test the earbuds, and I'll tell you how it sounds. And I'll also tell you how it sounds if you're vlogging on the phone's camera application using the buds. So stay tuned for those videos. I will make that happen very, very soon. I'll post a video on that very, very soon. That's all I want to share with you guys in this video. This is a quick unboxing and feature overview of the Galaxy Buds 3. You guys let me know which one have you ordered. Have you already got the Buds 3 or Buds 3 Pro? Drop a comment. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel to watch some useful contents on the buds, the Galaxy phones, the Galaxy watches, anything related to Galaxy. This is the right channel for you guys. So go ahead, subscribe, and give this video a like if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.